Now the smart documentation system is very user-friendly and comprehensive. You can see there's a button to generate sales quotation. You can also generate delivery orders, sales invoices, payment vouchers, petty cash vouchers, and even your official receipt. Anyone can learn to use each of these application modules in a matter of minutes. So now you can leave it to your client to make use of all these comprehensive applications to generate whatever business documentation is relevant to their business. Every document generated will update the account instantaneously to give your client real-time information. Let us begin our illustration with a sales invoice. Simply call up the help screen and pick up the customer, and then proceed to enter the relevant information, including the salesman code. Now we are ready to key in the product. Again, call up the help screen. Select your product and it will tell you the stock balance and the last time sold to this customer at what price. Isn't this useful? Now, enter the quantity and then we are done. Print your first sales invoice. Isn't that wonderful? Crisp and clear documentation is now possible with the Smartsys. Now, no accounting knowledge is required. Every document generated will update your accounts automatically without human intervention. Can you see? This is the invoice we just generated a moment ago. Now you don't have to stay back to update your partial accounts. Customers' accounts are updated instantaneously to give you real-time information. The statement of account will also show the aging in days. When you receive a payment, click on Official Receipt. Again, create a receipt by selecting the customer's name. You can also account for your receipt or your collection by salespeople. Key in the amount, let's say $10,689.30. Now you can enter the remark, for example, invoice 14. Key in the branch, BBS Shenton Way. Then proceed to key in the check number. There is no bank charges, so simply save. You can generate another receipt by selecting another customer, or you can abort. Now we are ready to print our receipt. Received with thanks from Atlas Trading for invoice 14, the sum of $10,689.30 only. You will no longer have poor documentation and messy records with Smartsys. Now you can look forward to real-time accounting on a daily basis. Every receipt that you generate will instantaneously update your customer's account without human intervention. Notice receipt number 6, payment for invoice 14, is now recorded to the credit column of your statement of account to give you a balance of $17,862.14. Besides the customer account, Smartsys also update your cash book. So select a bank account and let's look at the cash book. Can you see the receipt from Atlas Trading for $10,689.30. Now there is no need for you to maintain partial accounting records using Excel. Every receipt and payment will be automatically updated. Let's do a payment voucher. Create a payment. Check number. We are paying the rental for warehouse. Search for rental account, rental of premises. Key in the invoice number and the amount. Select the supplier's code. And we are done. Now we are ready to print our payment voucher. Can you see? Rental for warehouse, goods and services tax. Total amount is $5,350. Every document generated will automatically update your accounting records to give you real-time information. Although simple, the smart documentation system is not simplistic. It is simple enough for the layman to use and perform all the functional tasks, whatever they buy, sell, collect, or pay. This means that they can independently operate Smartsys on their own every day and enjoy timely accounting information on a real-time basis. So switch over to Smartsys and double your client's satisfaction. No more late accounts and no need to keep partial accounting records using Excel. Yes, eliminate hidden costs for your clients with the Smartsys. Now, so what is this special technology that we are talking about? Earlier on, you have seen how the client makes use of the client system to generate sales invoices, official receipts, and payment vouchers. Our special technology will capture all this information into a little folder called to host. Now listen carefully. Now all you need to do is to bring a little thumb drive and copy this folder into your thumb drive. Next, you will go back to your own computer and then import the data from this folder into your own host system. By doing so, you are capturing all the information all the transactions for the entire month. This is going to save you many laborious man hours of data entry work. With the Smartsys, you no longer have to tie down your weekend doing data entry work or manually written out payment vouchers. Importing the data will only take you minutes instead of hours or even days. So why not switch over to Smartsys and free up your time to spend with your loved ones and families. Or if you prefer, you can make use of the time saved to take on more jobs and make extra income with the Smart Accounting Club. Now, we are going to show you next the host system. Now, there is a function to import the data that we have copied over from the client system. Click here, and then you can import the sales invoice, credit note, official receipt, payment vouchers. In fact, anything that is done at the client system can be imported using this function here. Once it's imported, it will be in the form of a document, for example, a payment voucher that has not been posted. So all you need to do is click on the payment voucher, and you will get this menu for payment voucher, and you can amend each and every payment voucher, making correction to the charge code. For example, if a supplier invoice has been charged wrongly to purchaser's account instead of trade creditor control account, well, the accountant can simply do a scan, review, and then repost the voucher after it has been amended. So there is no need for freelance accountant to worry about inputting from manually written out payment vouchers. There is no need for clients to hold back the updating of their cash book. Everything can be done real time by the client, and whatever mistakes they make, the freelance accountant will have the final say to amend the payment voucher accordingly before repost. This makes Smartsys the ideal tool for freelance accountant. No more lugging armloads of documents. Just bring a little thumb drive to import the data, and then no more weekends doing tedious input from source document. You can import in a matter of minutes rather than spend days doing input. This way, you can free up your time and productive capacity either to do more profitable jobs or to spend quality time with your family and friends. Thank you for your interest in Smartsys.